Welcome back to the channel, viewers, and if it is your first time here, my name is Gigo. Today's video is about the body framework for the decking, which is the setting out the woods in between the supporting beams. So that's what we're going to do today. Today's video is exciting because getting to the end of the video, we will see the shape of the decking which is coming. As you can see, we've used this wood so many times, several times, and they really look old and tired as well. But hey, as I always say, if I see wood on my site, I have to give a big shout out to my big man. I'll always give shout out to him because without him, yeah, this project will be like, I don't know where this project will be by now. I'm still using his wood for all my decking works and my concrete casting, so I really do appreciate his help. So yeah, we are ready for the layout, and this from here on everything will move very fast because setting out the beams, you need a calculation and everything to support to get a right support. But since we are done with that, then it's just putting in the bamboos. As you can see, the bamboos are coming in gradually, and with little time everything will look nice, and we go for the board, for the plywood on top of it. So if you're ready for today's episode, then let's go. So taking good care of your wood during your building process is one of the best way to save money, because if you keep the woods very neat and clean and dry, you can reuse them several times. As I'm talking to you, this wood you see here has casted 4 houses. We've used this wood to cast 4 houses, decking, and this is the fifth time we are coming to use this same wood, the plywood, for this project for the second time. So keeping your wood throughout the process of building will save you a lot of money. You just have to top up a little bit, buy extra, because sometimes when you are taking off the wood from the decking, some of them get broken, or maybe the sizes get reduced. But hey, if you take good care of them, you will use them several times. As you can see, the laying out is going on pretty well. So far, this is where we are now, and we are ready to put the boards on top of it. So let's go upstairs. Let's see how the work is going. As you can see, it's taking shape now. Yeah, so from here we can see where the decking goes and where it starts, but actually we have to go a little bit further to the front side of the carpentry work, which will come later on. As you can see, we've laid some beams plate right there. So yeah, so this is it. This is what I meant by half decking and half roofing. So all of this open spot is going to be where the roof will go, the normal roofing, using the roofing sheet, and this is where the decking goes. So this decking extends to the front. It will go beyond the pillar you see right there. It will go beyond it, but we're first focusing on the inside before we go to the outside. So This is it. We are getting there gradually, slowly, but we are making progress. That is more important. It is not about going fast, and it's about just taking your time to do the right thing. Because, as I always said, this is not part of the planning on paper. This is just something, just taking advantage of the environment and the view, and just came up with this plan. So we also have to be careful when we are working, take into consideration about the safety, for the house as well. So yeah, so far this is it. So this is the living room area. So the half of the living room is also underneath, the decking. And then this is it. Let me know what you guys think about the whole process, what you see, your likes and dislikes. If there's anything I should know, kindly please let me know in the comment section. As I always say, we are doing this together. And if you haven't liked the video yet, kindly please do so. Just take a minute to like the video. If possible, share, And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, dear, yay, kindly please do subscribe to the channel. It's free, so that when I post videos, you get to know that I have posted a video, because sometimes YouTube doesn't really promote my videos to a lot of audience. So kindly please do subscribe to the channel so that when I post a video, you know, because I'm not going to post a video all the time. As I told you, as I'm building on stages. I only build when I get paid. So sometimes I can just dip for some weeks and saving up, and then I come back again. So kindly please do subscribe to the channel so that when I go deep again and I'm back, you will get to know and you can follow the process of the building. So far it's going well and we are getting there. And when this stage is done and the concrete casting is done, it's gonna be fire on the channel, because then we're going to do a lot with this project. I really don't want to cheat this project. I really want to put in so much. I really want to make it a luxury, let me say apartment. So I'm willing to spend a lot of money with this project, to make it, number one. So subscribe to the channel. I want to know your ideas. Let's do it together. As I'm always saying, let's build it together. I need your help as well. I need your ideas. It's my first time doing this. So if you have experience, I also want to tap into it. So please comment down below as well. So this is one room. So we're gonna have this room, replicate this room upstairs. So that will be one room, which is going to be the penthouse. It's going to extend a little bit forward, so we have more rooms, for the washroom and stuff. Yeah, and the view. mm, 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 mm. This is why we are here. We are here for the view. So anytime I see the view like this, and this is how it's going to be for the rest of the life of the person who is going to stay in this room every night. This is what you're going to get every evening. You have this promised, so that is the lifestyle that we want to build. That's the lifestyle we want to go. The view, it's all about the view. This is what you get every early evening. This is what you get, during the daytime you see the ocean view, and that is the lifestyle. This is why we are struggling. A place to relax. So it's getting to the end of the video. I really do appreciate your time you've spent on the channel. There's more coming up, and very soon we're going to put the plywood on top, and then we have the view from the second floor, which is the third level. And I'm really curious how that view will look like, having a room right there with this amazing view. So Thanks for watching my videos again. Thanks for spending your time here. I really do appreciate it. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's very important. And I will see you in my next episode. Let's get do it.